Hey Java developers, welcome to your quick guide on Java data types, operators, and keywords. Let's dive right in. Java is a strongly typed language, meaning every variable and expression has a specific data type. There are two main categories of data types, primitive and non-primitive. First up, primitive data types. These are the most basic types and store simple values. Java has 8 primitives: byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, and boolean. For example, you can declare a byte as or a boolean as. Next, non-primitive data types. These hold objects and include strings, arrays, classes, interfaces, and collections. For example, a string can be declared like this. Moving on to operators. Operators in Java perform operations on variables and values. We have several categories here. 1. Arithmetic operators for calculations like 1, plus addition A plus B2, subtraction A, B3, B4, division A, B5, percent modulus, remainder a percent B1. Relational operators to compare values like 2, equal sign equal to a equal sign B3, equal sign not equal to A, equal sign B4, 5. Less than A, B6, 7, equal sign less than or equal to A, equal sign B1, logical operators for Boolean expressions like an and logical and example, 5 and B10, logical not example, 5, 1. Bitwise operators operate on bits such as and bitwise and A and B, bitwise or circumflex, bitwise XOR, a circumflex BB tilde bitwise complement tilde A, left shift A, 2, 1. Assignment operators assign values to variables like equal sign, assign, equal sign 10 plus equal sign add, and assign a plus equal sign 5, same as A equals A plus 5, equal sign subtract and assign A, equal sign 5 equals sign 5 slash equal sign divide and assign a slash equal sign 5% equal sign modulus and assign a percent equal sign 5, 1. Ternary operator shortens if-else conditions. Ternary conditional result equal sign AB, Java keywords. Java has 50 reserved keywords that cannot be used as identifiers. 3.1 Data type keywords: byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. 3.2 Control flow keywords: if, else, switch, case, default, while, do, for, break, continue, return. 3.3 Exception handling keywords: try, catch, finally, throw, throws. 3.4 Class, object, and method keywords: class, interface, enum, abstract, extends, implements, new, this, super, static, final, void. 3.5 Access modifiers: public, private, protected. 3.6 Object keywords: instance of synchronized, volatile, transient. 3.7 Package keywords: package, import. 3.8 Miscellaneous keywords: assert. Native strict FP understanding data types, operators, and keywords is fundamental for Java programming. Mastering these concepts will help you write efficient and error-free code. Thanks for tuning in and happy coding.